Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at the Happy Ghast, which is part of the new snapshot for I think it's 1.21, I'm not sure. So yeah, up there we have Mom. So this is Mother Ghast. And then here we have like the rib cage. And with the Happy Ghast, you can craft him. Just like so. And then you'll get yourself a Happy Ghast. And then to actually use the Happy Ghast, we're going to take him, put him up here, and then we're going to waterlog him. So I'm going to take the snowballs for after, and we waterlog him. So there we go. I'm not actually sure how long this takes. Might want to turn up the tick speed. Let me time set day. And then how do I do tick? I actually don't know how to turn up the tick speed. I think he's being hydrated, I think. Oops. Well, there goes that. Hello. I can't tell if he's being hydrated or not. He's still doing those particle effects. Or are you being hydrated, Baba? Oh, okay. There he is. And now we have him. So let's just get a lead. And a fence. Wait, I don't know how to keep him still, so let's move you over here. Come. Let's lead. Oops. Lead you there. Let's feed. Ooh. Wait, why is it hitting him? I'm not trying to hit you, I promise. Guys, I promise I'm not trying to hit him. Okay. So it's working, but I'm hitting him in the process. I'm so sorry. He's growing, I see it. I'm so sorry. Not much I can do. Yes. Keep growing. Yes, you're doing great. Doing great, sweetie. Oh, I thought he just grew to full size. Oh! Okay, stay. Okay. Now we have a Happy Ghast. I don't actually know if there's a way to make them sit. Okay, either way. So next what we're gonna want is what is this called? Halter saddle thing? Let's put this up here. Keep that actually. And to make one of these, sorry, it's a harness. To make one of these, you need leather, glass, and then wool. It's interchangeable, and then that's how you get your color. So if I put this on you, hello. 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 Is standing, is sitting. Why is his name Leopardidium? Where are you going? Bro, can I... Wait, you're making me struggle. Oh my god. Wait. I believe, yeah, I should be able to just... Oh, I completely missed. sitting, standing. Do you need more snowballs? Hello? Am I lost? I think I'm lost. Would you not like to be harnessed? I can't harness you, and why is that? I don't know why your name is Leopardidion or whatever. Sitting. Harness. Harness. Standing. Guys, what is going on? You're not being very helpful, are you? Okay, wait. Let's spawn another one in. See, maybe it was just... Oh. Okay, there. Harness. Harness yourself. Oh, that didn't work. I'm a little confuzzled. I'm a little confuzzled. Should I try a different color, probably? Light gray. Oh. Okay, what's the color? Okay, there we go. Finally. So now we can ride around with a gang. Gang's a little close. Very close, actually. So we can ride around. I wish I had a better view. But looking down will bring me down, it looks like. Actually, I don't know where we're going. And then ooh. Okay, so when I'm in the air, I can stand on him. And then shift, or if I just... How do I... Okay. He puts up his goggles, and then I think he doesn't seem to be putting them down. But yeah, that's basically the Happy Ghast. I don't really know what more to say. He can take up to 4 people on his back. And it looks like as soon as he touches ground, that's when I jump off. But I can't sit him down. Where's the other one? And since they're water-based, they won't be able to, oh, he drops kind of quickly. They won't be able to shoot fireballs. I do wonder though, will I get... I do not get dismounted. Perfect. Would I fall in the water though? Yes. But if I go up a little, and then I do this. And then this is kind of just to help, let's say if I have some oak wood. Let's go over here. No. Go. No. Thank you. And then now I can like place stuff from on top. I believe, yeah, look. And now I, like a physical entity, I can drop blocks onto him. And then I believe he's supposed to move. I do hope that maybe there's like a carrot on a stick or like a gas tier on a stick or something, and then you can just like stand and then direct. Because then if you're building, then you don't have to like move. It's not very fidgety, if that makes sense. There we go. But yeah, that is basically all there is for the Happy Ghast. Can't wait until he's officially in the game. Hello. Are we stuck? Are we stuck? No, yes, maybe. I can't place anything on him. No, I cannot. You wanna let's look at the size comparison. You're going too far up. Go down. Now down. Oh wait, up. Sorry. Bro, it's low-key a little hard to control. There we go. Okay, size comparison. Looks just about the same size. This is a normal ghast. And this would be the Happy Ghast. I don't know why. Is it just me or is this, like, tentacle thingy, hello, like, so much longer? Or is this one's also? Maybe it is. Yeah, that is the Happy Ghast. Ooh. Eh. It's a little fidgety to walk on. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And see you all on the next adventure. Peace!